Oliver, come on. People passing by. Look at how his hair stands up on his back. Dog, you're so cool. Look at that butt. Oliver, okay, get down. My neck is hurting. The other one's over here. There he is. Philo the philosopher. All right, get down. My sweet baby boy. Guess whose birthday it is today? It's your birthday, my baby. My little Libra October 6th baby. Happy birthday, Oliver. I'm going to sing happy birthday to you, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oliver. Happy birthday to you, and many more. I'm going to make him a special dinner. Of course, I make it for both of them. He's hearing a dog bark. And I woke up this morning with a bloody sinus infection. And I called off. And, you know, I'm grateful for the company I work for because they give you sick days. But I didn't have enough sick hours to cover the whole day. So it's a loss. But at the same time, I knew I had to take care of myself. So that's what I did. And I got to spend some downtime with them, which was very healing for me and always is. They're good boys. They're very good boys. And it's your birthday today. I love you, Mr. Oliver. I love him. He's got such beautiful eyes, too. I love you, baby boy. You're a good boy. Happy birthday, Mr. Oliver. God bless.